What if I told you that a simple tweak to AI could make it dramatically smarter, leading to fewer mistakes and more precise solutions? What if that same AI could outperform doctors, improve customer service, and change the way complex problems are solved? This is exactly what's happening with Claude, the latest in AI innovation, which just got an upgrade that has tech enthusiasts buzzing. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand the groundbreaking features of Claude's new Think tool, but you'll also see how it's reshaping AI problem-solving across industries, from healthcare to customer service. Claude's new Think tool, the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Claude has always been an AI powerhouse, but a new tool added to its arsenal is about to push it into another league. This tool, aptly named the Think tool, has given Claude the ability to pause, reflect, and double-check itself during complex problem-solving tasks. Imagine if your AI assistant could take a step back, assess its approach, and verify it's on the right track before moving forward. Sounds like the perfect solution to tackling complicated issues, right? The Think tool isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a game changer, particularly for tasks requiring multi-step logic or where one mistake could snowball into a bigger problem. Let's take a closer look at how this tool works and why it has led to remarkable improvements in Claude's ability to solve complex challenges. How the Think tool works, a game changer for complex problems. The basic idea behind the Think tool is simple, but its impact is immense. Previously, Claude would process tasks in a straightforward manner, from start to finish, step by step. However, when things get complicated, think customer support scenarios, technical troubleshooting, or coding issues, the stakes are higher, and a single misstep could lead to disastrous consequences. Here's where the Think tool shines. Instead of rushing through a task, Claude now takes a moment to pause, reflect, and double-check that it has everything it needs before moving forward. This checkpoint approach helps ensure that it's on the right track and avoids any costly mistakes along the way. The results speak for themselves. Claude's performance boost, impressive results in real-world scenarios. Let's talk numbers. In a benchmark known as T-Bench, designed to simulate realistic customer service situations, the Think tool has made a significant difference. Before the tool was introduced, Claude's Pass 1 score, a measure of how often it gets things right on the first attempt, was at a relatively low 0.332. After the Think tool was added, this number jumped to 0.444. Not a bad improvement, right? But wait, it gets even better. When developers combined the Think tool with an optimized prompt that gave Claude specific instructions on how to think, the score shot up to a stunning 0.584, more than 50% better than its original baseline. This is a massive leap, especially considering the nature of the tasks involved, which can range from simple queries to complex, multi-step problems. Even more impressively, when the Think tool was applied to retail customer service scenarios, Claude's score jumped from a baseline of 0.783 to 0.812, with no extra setup or instructions. This means the tool was effective all on its own, simply by allowing Claude to stop and reflect before taking the next step. Why the Think tool works, a deeper dive into its impact. At this point, you might be wondering, why does this pause and reflect approach work so well? Well, let's break it down. The Think tool operates a bit like the cognitive process humans use when they're solving a difficult problem. Before rushing into a solution, we often take a moment to ask, do I have all the information I need? Is my approach right? The Think tool gives Claude the ability to do just that. For example, imagine Claude is handling a complicated airline support request. A passenger wants to cancel a flight, but there are so many variables at play. The reservation details, cancellation policies, and special rules about flexible fares. Without the Think tool, Claude might dive into solving the issue without considering all the factors. But with the Think tool, it pauses and asks critical questions before moving forward, ensuring that it has everything it needs to make an accurate decision. This step-by-step reflection helps Claude avoid errors that could arise from missing key details, making it significantly more reliable in tricky situations. And it's not just customer service, it's helping Claude perform better across a range of industries, from healthcare to coding. The Think tool in healthcare, saving lives with AI accuracy. Perhaps one of the most exciting implications of the Think tool is its use in healthcare. AI's ability to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases has long been a hot topic, but now, With tools like the Think tool, AI is starting to outperform human doctors in some critical areas. In a groundbreaking development, an AI model developed by an international team of scientists has achieved 99.26% accuracy in detecting endometrial cancer, far surpassing the typical diagnostic accuracy of human doctors, which usually hovers around 78 to 80%. The AI's success lies in its ability to analyze histopathology images, detailed, microscopic scans of tissue samples, and spot early signs of cancer that might be too subtle for the human eye to detect. This AI model, which utilizes the same principles of the Think tool, takes a moment to reflect on its findings, ensuring it doesn't miss anything crucial. It checks its conclusions against a set of criteria before delivering a diagnosis. This level of precision has the potential to revolutionize early cancer detection and could save countless lives in the process. Think tool's success in coding and technical support. The Think tool's advantages extend beyond customer service and healthcare. In coding and software development, Claude has shown remarkable improvements in handling bug reports and suggesting fixes. In a coding benchmark called SWE, which tests AI's ability to analyze and correct code, the Think tool was used to help Claude brainstorm multiple ways to fix coding issues, select the simplest solution, and evaluate its effectiveness. This small change boosted Claude's score in the SWE benchmark from 0.56 to 0.623, a notable increase. By enabling Claude to pause and reflect during technical tasks, the Think tool gives it the ability to consider all possible solutions and choose the most effective one. This process makes Claude a more reliable and efficient assistant in environments where precision is key, such as software development. Why the Think tool is not a one-size-fits-all solution. While the Think tool has demonstrated impressive results in a variety of scenarios, it's not designed to be used in every situation. For simpler tasks, like making a single API call or following basic instructions, the Think tool doesn't add much value. Claude's default behavior is already well-suited to handle these straightforward tasks without any additional help. However, for more complex tasks where multiple steps are involved, external data needs to be processed, or precise decision-making is critical, the Think tool becomes an invaluable asset. It gives Claude the time and space to reflect and verify its approach before moving forward, ensuring better accuracy and fewer mistakes. The future of AI, a more thoughtful, precise assistant. As AI continues to evolve, tools like the Think tool represent a significant step forward in making AI more reliable, efficient, and capable of handling complex challenges. This approach of pausing to reflect and double-check is something we all do as humans, and it turns out it's an extremely effective way for AI to avoid errors and provide better solutions. With the Think tool, Claude has become smarter, more precise, and more consistent across multiple industries. Whether it's customer service, healthcare, or technical support, this tool is reshaping the way AI assists in solving problems. And as AI continues to improve, we can only imagine the new possibilities that lie ahead. A revolution in AI problem solving. Claude's Think tool has taken AI to new heights by making it more reflective, more precise, and less prone to errors. This powerful upgrade is already having a major impact on customer service, healthcare, and technical environments, and it's only the beginning. By allowing Claude to pause, think, and check itself, this tool has brought a level of reliability and accuracy that could change the way we interact with AI in the future. Whether you're a developer looking to implement it in your own projects or someone curious about the future of AI, the Think tool is a groundbreaking development worth keeping an eye on. As AI continues to grow smarter, tools like the Think tool show us just how far we've come and how much further we can go.